peaches for breakfast. Ho, ho, ho. All right, you got me. Forget it. Go have fun. Go have fun. Go play. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Guys, these are good. This little kicker here is Peach Shrub. And I'm trying to incorporate that into a cocktail. When I think peach, a nice complementary flavor profile, my head goes to smoke. And when I think smoky, I think scotch. When I think smoky, I think mezcal. So heck, why not work with them both? We're going to do a little series of same, but different. Now, why am I using whiskey and scotch in the same drink? Why am I using tequila and mezcal in the same drink? Well, I still want to get the smoky notes, but I don't want the smoke to overpower and bully all the other flavors in the drink. I don't want the smoke to eclipse the peach. I want it to kiss the peach. I want the smoke to play nice, but not smoke it out. So whenever I'm working with scotch or mezcal, I like to cut it with its familiar friend, be it its closest relative. So here we got bourbon, here we got tequila. And with that, it's going to be a medley of deliciousness that I hope that you can execute at home and share with your friends and enjoy for who knows how long. All right, let's get to it. Woo-wee! All right, it's time to get after it. Let's go. We're going to take the scotch and the lemon. We're going to take the mezcal and the lime. We're going to come and we're going to hit our spots. 3. Now we're going to come with the main spirits. Tequila and bourbon. Shrub. Half ounce. Honey. Half ounce. Ice them down. Whenever you shake, you don't want to face your guests and splash them and get everything all over them. The condensation from the glass and so forth. You want to face the side. Those are done. Give them that little bump. See how that came out? Stellar. And tequila goodness. Top off the bitters. So there you have it. Same but different. I know it seems crazy, it looks crazy, but when you get the touches down, you know, I mean, I splashed once. I got a little bit of bourbon right here. I got a touch of mezcal right here. But, I mean, this is my house. I'm not trying to make a disaster. I'm not trying to splash all over the place. You're going to make a mess. You're gonna splatter here and there when you're getting to know it. But after a while, you're going to be really quite spotless. And if you're spilling a little bit, you're getting it right into your ice. So what if a little bit of lime juice goes into your ice? So what if a little bit of vodka goes into your ice? Okay? Yeah, is the management going to go AWOL? People you don't want to be working for anyway. All right? So we have about a half ounce of peach shrub, half ounce of honey. We got lime juice and lemon juice. We're going 3/4 of an ounce in that area. And then we have 2 ounces of booze collectively between your smoky agent and your base product. Tequila and bourbon, scotch and mezcal. All right? So here on your left, you have scotch, bourbon, Hudson Valley Peach Shrub with honey and lemon. And on your right, you have a Mezcal Tequila with Hudson Valley Peach Shrub, honey, and fresh lime juice. Topped off with bitters. And I'm telling you, this is a medley of absolute heaven. This stuff is not a joke. Forget it. Forget it. Go have fun. Go have fun. Go play. Oh. Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Guys, these are good. Learn how to make this peach shrub. Woo! You're going to love it. You see how that just woke me up? Holy shit. I needed to do this before I started doing all the videos. Ah! But then I can't. That's not how I can't do that. All right. So let's talk about it. Okay. So now I'm loose. All right. I can talk. We can talk. Here's the thing. Those grips, they look fancy. They look like I'm trying to like show off. First of all, that's what I do. I'm in the presence of people. I'm a showman. I'm a performer. I'm in a position to really impact people, and I'm given a little sliver of my city to make my own. And I'm going to make the most of that. Now, in making the most of that, I got to be in motion. And when I get an order, and I approach an order, I understand it's not just me and the drink there. There are people observing that constructive process. It going from concept or conception to completion. Especially in this day and age, if I lose them for a second, they're pulling out their phone, and then I lost them. And then there's nothing I can do back here, fucking nothing, that's going to get them back. So I got to be in motion as rapidly as that order hits me so that they continue to stay locked on me. And when they're locked on me and I get into motion and I start doing that build that I just presented to you, once they're locked in, they're no longer waiting. They're watching. And when you don't feel the weight, the pressure of multiple people waiting, you become alleviated. And when you're alleviated and when you don't have that barreling down on you, you can move with grace and confidence. And their observation of you is motivating to not fuck up. And trust me, you're going to feel that there's a different kind of pressure now. You have the waiting anxiety pressure, and then you have the pressure of expectation that, wow, look, he's doing, oh my goodness, is he gonna get it all right? Is he not gonna spill or break or drop or fuck anything up? Listen, sometimes you're gonna. You gotta keep the show going. Because even you breaking something or spilling something or, I mean, what else can you do? What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen? I'll tell you what, it's not catastrophic. So, I'm gonna double fist this. Whoa, this one's boozy. Ah, what are you gonna do? I'm making it for friends. It's my fucking house. What are you gonna do? Me and cheers, me. Nailed it. Whiskey and Scotch, they're buddies, man. They're buddies. And Mezcal Tequila, fucking gossip girls over here. Fucking gossip girls. They love each other. You know, I'm just telling you what I'm working with, what I do, and how to get the most out of this peach shrub. I'm telling you, man. This whiskey one. All right, enjoy. That's all I have. That's all I have to give. Boom. Reverse grip. Drop your arm. You would then slide this hand in between. Grab this bottle like this. That's where that strength's coming from. Then you triple grip that. Okay? And when you're coming around, see how it comes one. Pump stop, come off. Boom. That's how you double down. Cheers.